Hey, if you're a builder and your subtrades have screwed your fiberglass tub up, look what we can do. Check this video. You're going to want to see how we repair the fiberglass tub enclosures. Here's the first one. So they put the drywall on the edge too far. It's supposed to be back here, but they put it over here and then they ran screws into the fiberglass. Both sides. And I know that it's screws because one of the drywall screws broke off and they're still sticking out right there. Then we gotta fix this chip on the bottom here. We're gonna make this one brand new, and we got another one. We got this one now. Looks like Buddy scraped a tool or something, went down here, zoom, hit here, and there's another chip down there. There's a pretty good chip there that we've already filled. So we're gonna do a little bit of a blend, and then we're gonna do the mega blender. That's the only way to do these ones, so they're seamless. Then come back in 1 hour and hand polish it. So people say to me, well, like, like, why does this take so long to set up? And well, if you want it 85% good, then we can just go blender, good enough. That might be okay. But when you're in a house that's $1.3 million, and the people are doing the walkthrough inspection in a day or so, they don't want to see nothing. It's got to be perfect. So we got our color all matched. We got our gun all set up. We got our fans set up. We got our tint kits here. And you got to do this. That's it. It's got to be perfect. So what are we going to do here? We're going to spot this in, probably 2 little light coats. Spray to shine, make sure there's going to be a little bit of a halo out here on my last coat. Spot in a little bit of halo. Spot in a little bit of halo. And then we're going to take pure blender. This stuff. We're going to dump out our color. We're going to rinse it once. We're going to put nothing but this in the gun. And then we're going to clear coat this whole area. Notice how I tape the angles. We're going to clear coat this whole area so it all melts in. It looks all shiny. Then when we take our tape off, it's going to be like this little edge here that's a little bit shiny, a little bit not. You won't even be able to feel it, but you're going to be able to see it. Then we hand polish it with this after 45 minutes. Here we go. Spot it in, blend it out. Can you tell? Wait till we polish it. Yeah. So here we are on the final step on polish. You can see that there was a line when you go back in my video and look, you can't even tell. And that's with the hand polish. You see that little divot there? That is not from us, that is actually from the factory. Right in the mold. When you start looking at these really close, see that there's one too, right in the mold. Our chip was right here. You can't even tell. No, I'm serious guys, you can't even tell. Now I'm gonna show you when you take the tape off, I'm gonna show you what the line looks like. See this line right here? That's what you get, okay? And watch this, a little bit of rubbing compound. Rubber in, compound do its work. Gone. Look at the same day. This is just 35 minutes after we did it. So now I'm going to just hand polish all the rest down here. That's it. So you can see my line right here. See? Right here. Right there. That's from some of the tape because it touched the solvent, right? But once I polish this, you won't even see it. Here we go. Okay, I should also tell you guys this. Here, I ran into a spot where the resin blender was almost too thick to do with this. You could have, but you would have been there rubbing for an extra 5 minutes. So all you do is carry some of this Super Duty Rubbing Compound by 3M. Okay. Rub it back over your blend area with it. This is kind of like 1500 grit, but in a paste. Get your blender edge all good. Okay. It's a great time to, if you see like a little speck in your coating, just rub it off. Just use that. Tighten it up. I got a paper towel here. Now with that coarse compound, you're not going to be able to get it shiny. Okay? It's going to kind of be dull. It's going to be like you sanded it with 3000 grit. Okay. Now, we take this stuff. The shine comes back just like that. You cannot tell where I blended that. Can't even see it. It's totally gone. I don't care how fussy your customer is. If I didn't remember where my blend was, I wouldn't be able to tell you where it is. That's it, guys. I've had a bunch of people ask me how I do my fiberglass repair and why it turns out like this. You don't have to come back and polish it. Do this. That's it. If they're ultra fussy, just do this. Give it 45 minutes, come back. You did the zone blend, take all your paper off. There's going to be a little bit of a line there from your blender. It hand polishes right out. Look at this. Where's my spot? That's all you need. 2 compounds, some of that PPG 1 blender, not in the spray can. You gotta use it in your gun because you're gonna be doing zone blending. That's it. Brand new. New house build. She's brand new. House is $1.3 million. Look at it. Beautiful home. Come in here. You can't even tell. I got my super bright lights on. Look at this. You'll never see it now. Ever. She gone. Let's get downstairs and finish the last one. See, we got the flip tape here. See how it's flipped backwards? And we're just gonna peel that off, and then we're gonna put this on it. You're never gonna notice anything. It's gonna look like brand new. All right, guys, we're done on this one. All the nail holes are full. We coated this part right up to here, flip taped on the edge, taped inside here, where the drywall is. So we taped here, we flipped here, pulled our tape off, blender after, beautiful. You can't even tell. Chip is gone on the bottom. Put a nice new bead, straight bead of caulking on it. Colors match is perfect. This is China white. There we go. Yeah, see you guys on the next one.